You know you can call me Vito.
Yeah, I know.
So say it. Let me hear you say, "What's up, Vito?"
What's up, Vito?
Not much, Finn. Except I got a little surprise for you.
Punch low. Always punch low.
Okay.
That means below the waist.
Right.
Get him in the legs or in the crotch. Do stuff like that.
Do you think that's dirty fighting?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I do. But there's nothing wrong with dirty fighting.
Really?
That's right.
Mm-hmm.
You know what? Because fighting is wrong. Right?
Yeah.
So if you're going to fight, you're already wrong.
Yeah.
So if you're going to dirty, you might as well dirty fight.
Yeah.
Because you're already there.
Yeah.
You're already at the party.
Right, right.
I was in a fight last week.
Really? How'd it go?
I won.
Really?
Yeah.
Who'd you fight?
That kid David.
The forward?
Yeah. He cannot fight.
Yeah. But he's got a big mouth, coach.
Well, not anymore, he doesn't.
Right.
You know, but mostly fighting, it's a mental game.
Really?
Brendan, you're a smart kid.
Yeah, I know.
You're not a tough kid. You're not a strong kid. You're not a fighter.
Right.
But you may have a mental edge over your opponent, and that's what you got to use.
Like what?
Like, for instance, if I fought somebody, I would say, hey, look.
Mm-hmm.
The guy will look, and then I will hit him.
Right.
That's a mental game.
I know what you mean.
But I don't know. Brendan, you're a smart kid. You improvise.
Yeah, that's what I was planning on.
Give me something. Let's say I come up to you, right?
Okay.
I give you a little shove, and I say, hey, come on, let's go.
Okay.
You got to think on your feet here,
All
Brendan.
right, I got one.
All right, what do you got? Go ahead.
Loving you is easy 'cause you're beautiful.
All right, so in that situation, Brendan, I'm going to kill you.